welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share with you guys my recent purchase from this last weekend in Charleston with my mom. I actually got to go to South Carolina for the very first time and explore beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. And while on our trip, I may or may not have accidentally purchased a new handbag that I'm so excited to share with you guys. I haven't unboxed it yet, and so I thought that I would open it up for the first time with all of you. So very excited to share with you all my purchase. I think for my second handbag, it's a very, very good complement to the Louis Vuitton Neverfull that I already have. So I am dying. I can barely open this thing up. I literally just got home and it arrived, and I'm shooting this video because I'm so excited to open it up, and you guys are gonna come along with me. So when it came, it actually has this fun little card that has the person that I worked with, her store card, and then the receipt. So that's kind of what that is. And then the pretty blue bow. Open that up. Here. And here's the box. And then here it is. Voila! It's just as cute as I remember. So I've actually had my eye on this bag since before I got my Neverfull. It was kind of a close comparison to which one I wanted to get, and this was definitely my second choice. It's obviously a much, much different bag. It's going to be more of a handheld bag, but it also does come with a strap, which I'm assuming is inside the bag. So I'm just gonna open that up, and then there's the strap. It's got the pretty little dust bag in the box. And that's basically it that's in the box itself. I'm gonna actually put the strap on this bag. So this version is, I believe how you pronounce it, the Pochette Metis. It comes in the kind of brown, dark brown monogram print. I had a really tough time deciding between this one and the reverse Pochette Metis, that's kind of the lighter brown on the top and the dark on the bottom. But I went with the solid choice because I thought it would just be a little bit more neutral with everyday looks and pieces. I just think that this bag is a classic. I don't envision this ever going out of style. And the great thing about Louis Vuitton is it does hold its value, which is really important whenever you are purchasing a designer bag. So I love the functionality of this one because it is pretty roomy. So you can easily put a phone, keys, all sorts of goodies in this. And I just thought for kind of a crossbody bag that would transition from day to night, it would be perfect for traveling, anything like that. I like to have the strap, and so this is it. I'm so excited. It smells so good too. It has the brown, the light brown on the top. In for you guys so you can see that. And then it also has the zipper pocket on the back, which is pretty fun too. Maybe for like extra credit cards or receipts or whatnot. You can adjust the strap, which is also pretty cool. And then I love this part about it as well. You can actually do the clasp. It goes just like that. You press them in, open it up, and then that's obviously what opens it up there. So I'm so pumped. I really was debating between a couple others that I saw in the store, but it wasn't a hard debate. I've really had my eye on this one for a while, and I just think transitioning, if you don't have any designer pieces, or maybe you're looking to purchase your first designer bag, I really think this could be an awesome complement to get you started out with your own designer collection, if that's something that you're interested in. This is the bag. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's super short and sweet, but I thought it would be fun, like I said, to open it up and have you guys along here with me. I really, like I said, think that this would be an awesome bag to consider if maybe you're looking for a new designer bag, maybe you just want a crossbody bag. I think one of the great things about Louis Vuitton is it does hold its value, and I just think this little bag is gonna be so cute for little trips, weekend getaways. I'm so excited about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.